We are the Gujarat Technological University. Since its inception over a decade ago, GTU has been empowering young and curating minds to realize their true potential. Over 4 lakh inspired students are enrolled with one of the premier academic universities in India. With more than 450 affiliated colleges in its fold operating across 5 zones of the state, GTU, the International Innovative University, your place to move forward.
Hello friends, now we will discuss how to draw hyperbola passing through a given point P. Suppose here given data is draw a hyperbola which passes through point P coordinate 30, 40. So first of all locate x-axis and y-axis and point P on this graph. For example, here point P is located at a distance 30 mm from y-axis and 40 mm from x-axis. So this distance OB is 40 mm, OA is 30 mm and coordinate of point P is 30, 40. Now from point origin O, draw line at any angle and this line cuts AP at point 1 and PB at point 1 dash. Name these 2 points as 1 and 1 dash. From point 1 draw a line at an angle line that is horizontal line, and from point 1 dash draw vertical line. So line from point 1 is parallel to x-axis, line from point 1 dash is parallel to y-axis, and intersectional point is point number P1. So we have found out location of point number P1. Similarly, to find out location of point P2, what should we do? Yes, from point O draw another line at any angle and that line will cut AP at point number 2 and BP at point number 2 dash. From point 2 and 2 dash draw lines. From point 2 draw horizontal line, from point 2 dash draw vertical line. Both will cut at point number P2. So that is location of point number P2. Similarly for point number P3, from point origin O draw line at any angle and that line will cut AP at point number 3, BP at point number 3 dash. From point 3 draw horizontal line, from point 3 dash draw vertical line. Both will cut at point number P3. Similarly from origin O draw another line at any angle. Mark here point number 4 on AP and point number 4 dash on BP line. Again from point number 4 draw horizontal line, from point 4 dash draw vertical line, and intersectional point is point number P4. Similarly point number 5 somewhere here. So draw again line at any angle from point origin O and that will cut PB line at point number 5 dash and AP line at point number 5. So same analogy, from point number 5 draw horizontal line, from point 5 dash draw vertical line. Both will cut at point number P5. Now these are the points. Join all these points with a smooth curve P1, P2, P3, P4, P5 and draw arrows at the ends because it is hyperbola. It goes up to infinite distance in this direction as well as in both the directions. And name the curve as hyperbola. This is the hyperbola which is passing through given point P, coordinate x coordinate 30 mm, y coordinate 40 mm. Eccentricity of hyperbola is higher than 1. That's why it is called as hyperbola. An application of hyperbola is used to design a cooling tower of power plant. The outer shape of cooling tower is hyperbolic and Boyle's equation follows hyperbolic curve, that is PV is equal to constant multiplication of pressure and volume is constant, that is represented by hyperbola. Hope it's clear to you. Feel free to contact me for any query. Thanks for watching.